indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, MP3, voice-activated command system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sync. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at 2017 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.